Every new store comes with a launch plan to help you get started, to get you on the right path. It's a list of easy to follow steps so you can get on that path to success as quickly as possible. We recommend everybody follows through this, whether you're experienced, whether you're a beginner, just go through it anyway. There might be some steps you've missed if you're more advanced. If you're a beginner, this is the perfect place to start. This is exactly what it's designed for. So this is a brand new store. It's a store I've just created. As you log in for the first time, you're going to get this notification. Continue to your launch plan. Click here to open it. Click here if you want to dismiss it. Absolutely fine. I'm just going to close this and show you that this is the store dashboard. And from here, you can open the launch plan from here. You can go to the left-hand menu and you can open it from here. So I'm going to click there. It all goes to the same place. From here, we're going to see a list of our recommended steps to get your store launched, started on that success path. So let's just scan through. We have a few things to go through here. Let's do first things first at the top. If you want to, you can reset the launch plan and start again. We can complete everything if you just want to dismiss the launch plan, something you're not interested in. Or we have the guide here, which will open up this video, some more hints and tips about the launch plan. Okay, so as you're working through your launch plan, we're going to have two things for every step. We're going to have a link. So this link will take you to this video, and we're going to have a little button to mark it as done. So when you've watched this video, or if you don't want to watch it, absolutely fine, click on done. It's going to mark that off the list. And the same for the next one, open the help center, click that. It's going to take you to where you can get support and help. If you're happy with that, click done. That section's done. That's how easy it is. And it's just going to keep you focused step by step. Now, I'm not going to go through every step in this launch plan because we are changing this a little bit as we go along. We're adding things, we're taking things away. So just work through it by yourself, but I'll go over a few key points. We have a few settings here. So this is about your store, your niche, your store name. If we click on here, we're going to open up the settings section where you can set these kind of things, the store name, the niche. When you're happy with that, which I am, we can click on done and done and done. And each time we get our celebration, which is super cool. So one thing you'll notice is we have a progress bar as well, just to show you how far along you've got, just to try and keep you motivated to get to the end of this. And as I mentioned before, I definitely recommend doing this, whether you're a beginner, whether you're advanced, whether you're somewhere in the middle, because there might be something you've missed that we recommend. Now, you may have noticed that this launch plan was already partially completed when we opened it. And that's because in this store, we already have Amazon. We already have eBay set up in the main account. That might not be the case for you, so make sure that you have those set up. Or if you're not using eBay, you can turn it off. If I just undo this, it'll show you that we have a button here that will go to the eBay settings page, so you can set it from there. Okay, so the next thing is populate your store, which is just to start to get you used to adding products to your store. In this case, I already have categories, products, articles, but I have a link here for the research keywords tool, which is something great to use to get you started with your store. Again, I'm going to complete that. And the next one is SEO traffic. So once we've got a bit of the store set up and we've set some basic features, we can go ahead and add it to Google. This is a guide that will help you through that. We want to get indexed. So this is more about the XML sitemap, getting that into Google. Everything is there to help you through it. So click the links, follow it through step by step. If you run out of time, it's going to save your progress. You'll know exactly where you are. If we complete these, then I'll show you that this launch plan, all that's completed, and all we have to do is carry on in this step that we left behind last time. Next one is about creating social media things. And if you don't want to do any particular step on this launch plan, that's absolutely fine. Pinterest doesn't necessarily suit every single store. So you might just want to complete that one and let it go. Again, absolutely fine. And then we're getting towards the end of the launch plan. We've got some final checks. We want to take a preview of our store and just see that everything looks okay to us. We like the images. We like the products that are showing. The content looks good. So there's a bit of a pointer there. Preview your store. And then also testing a product. So just making sure that we open a product. This is a random one. Having a look at some options and making sure that it clicks through to Amazon and so on. So yeah, all looks good. Then we want to share our store in the mastermind group, which is a good way to get some feedback and start getting involved in the community. And also then we have the next one, which is the profit playbook, which is after you've completed the launch plan. This is the next step on getting more traffic, finding different ways to get sales, so on and so forth. So that's the launch plan. let's complete everything once we've done that. Or if you've been through every single step, it will do the same thing. The whole thing is completed, and it's going to prompt you to open the playbook, which is our guides in here, which we have all these kind of extra steps to building more traffic, getting more commissions, how to create content, lots more stuff in there. But don't jump ahead, stick to the launch plan first. And yeah, I just wanted to show you, once the launch plan is done, go back to the dashboard. It's now going to be hidden. So it's completed, so it's disappeared from your store. If you do want to get it back, we can go into Store, Tools on the left-hand menu. And down here, we should have the launch plan here. So that will get you back into it. If you think, oh, I actually want to go through that again, I'm not sure if I missed something, you can click here to reset. And then we're going to go back to the launch plan from the beginning. Yeah, away we go. So super cool stuff. That's the launch plan. Like I say, strongly recommend you follow through this. You go through the steps. If you don't want to do particular steps, absolutely fine, but at least check through them and make a decision for yourself. Complete it before you move on. Okay, great. I hope that helps. Take care.